Hey, Crystal, let's go. As the wildlife fee area closed Fridays, straight ahead. Then we're gonna have to give them $1, it says. Nah, they don't care. They don't. It's they rent segways and everything else down here. Just got a speed limit of 15 and we only go 12, so it don't matter.
Hang on.
Let this car by unless you got $2 ready.
Here's 2.
We got a lifetime national park pass, but we're gonna donate $1 anyway.
Oh, that's nice of you. Thank you. You've been in here on your bike?
Nope, never.
Okay. Well, what you're on there is called Wildlife Drive. It's 4 miles and it's all one way for bikes and cars.
Okay.
You think you want to go all the way through? You got the electric bike.
Oh yeah, we're going
Okay,
for it.
just stay on this road. It's going to put you out 4 miles up on that bike path out there.
Perfect.
So you'd be 4 miles back on the bike path to us.
Okay.
Or you'd be 2 miles to go the other way to Captiva.
Nah, we're coming back this way.
Okay, just remember you can't go backwards on this road.
Oh, we won't.
Okay.
And then my other question is, where's my best chance for seeing one of them tortoises? Anywhere?
In here it's kind of tough because it's all water in here. Okay?
Oh, okay.
If you wanna, when you come back out, just look really close on that path on
Right, okay.
Yeah. And then if you hit this, when you get down here just past us on the right, you'll see Rabbit Road.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Go down that. There's a nice path down the back side of Rabbit Road. Take that all the way over to West Gulf. Turn right on West Gulf. And about a mile up on the right, there's some people that have got what they call a tortoise preserve there.
Oh, cool.
Usually about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 3:30, 4 o'clock, there's one out there eating.
Messing around.
So a lot of people don't know it's down there. You know, I mean, it's just their private little yard, but they were able to get it designated as a tortoise habitat.
Cool.
Yeah. You
Well,
guys have fun.
hey, thank you. Thanks for being so informative. We appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Okay, now we're on the 4 mile path, one way. That's cool.